Good morning, everyone. So great news. I am giving back my house keys to my landlord. Yes, I'm officially moving out today. So yeah, if you don't know, now you know. I have been living in a guest house for a year now in Los Angeles. It was great space. However, time has changed. My mindset has changed. I'm ready to make bigger things happen, bigger dreams happen. So I need more space. So I end up moving to one of my dream apartments, okay? I'm super excited. Finally get to close this chapter and start a new one. So here we go. Who's that knocking on my door? Who's that?
Menace to society.
Welcome to my casa. To my casa? To casa?
Casa, su casa.
Yes. Welcome to my place. This is where I moved. So you saw what I was living at before, the guest house. Now, here I am in my own apartment. 2 bed, 2 bath, nice view. Check it out. So here is the kitchen. Love this marble. My gas stove here. I'm about to cook soon because I'm very hungry. Check out the refrigerator. We working on it though. At least we've got like some juice, milk, spinach. My empty refrigerator. We got plenty of veggies,. Trying to eat healthy. Check out the kitchen view. So this is my neighborhood here. Pretty nice, huh? So we front of the garden area. That's where people just like chill, read a book, do some Tai Chi, This is the view of Southwest Los Angeles. So we looking out of like Inglewood, Culver City, Mid-City, That's where I started from, back over there. Now I'm here, I'm near the west side, West side LA, that's the good part, All right. So over here is our living room. It's humongous, as you can see. Hey, I love the hard flooring here. It's pretty nice. We are in our moving process, so we got a futon for now, but next video you're gonna see this whole living room all decorated out, So yeah, that's what we have. Check out the living room view. Same view, different area, So this is what we have. Just be chilling. Be getting our vitamin D. Chilling, getting our vitamin D over here. It feels good. That's how I glow up. The sun, California sun. Look at the sky, man. Clear sky today. You don't see no clouds. But I love chilling at this futon right here. And just be like looking out. I like to zone out, It's a blessing to be living in this apartment. You saw how small my can be very productive. Let me tell you something. So you know I'm into vlogging. I also edit my own videos. So I'm gonna have like a production studio over here in this little corner. Yeah, I can see that. Just have like a nice production set. And then I'm gonna have my dining table here. So when my guests come, they can eat, you know, because we be cooking here. We're gonna have like another couch right here. We think about like an L couch. Anyone who knows where I can get an L couch, hook me up, please. And then we're gonna have our bar stools here. Think about 4 bar stools. You see my license plates here? North Carolina representing. Came from Texas, now I'm here in California. True blessing. We're thinking about having the TV staying in this corner here. TV staying here in this corner, so you can get different angles of watching television. So yeah, so follow me to the hallway. This is our hallway here, bathroom, first bathroom to the left. Here's my room. I have my friend visiting me, so yeah, she's enjoying her stay in my room. But I love it. Yeah, as you can see, I'm still moving in. I gotta hang up some stuff. My chalkboard, TV, you know. Check out the blessings, never forget. So I have like random sticky notes here. Basically, this is where I'm gonna put like some stuff, like my vision board, so I can stay focused. My computer desk, so I can edit. This is gonna be like my prayer spot. Even though I pray randomly in different places. And then bedroom number 2, my cousin's room. This is his spot here. He's working on it. His view as well. It's pretty nice. He sees more of the different apartments. Oh, I love it. All right, so like follow me. So yeah, this is my place. We have a beauty salon, we have a cafe, library, pool, movie theater, a lot of stuff. Gym that I barely use, but I'm starting to work out now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my place, my crib, my casa. I am about to make some food. So I need my time to myself, so yeah. Thank you for your visit. See you later. Bye.